Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Just going down to Ducati Challenge for today. Ain't been down there for a bit just because of all the lockdown, the weather. Going to be having a look at a few bikes. Got the Sport Livery Multistrada v4, new SuperSport 950s down there. We've got some other bits, might have a ride of a bike. Generally, let's just see what's going on. Right, so here we are. Let's have a look, see what's going down in here. Yo!
Alright?
Right, bruv?
Yeah, how you doing?
What's happening? Come to look at some bits, got to get some bikes done, haven't we? That, oh yeah. That,
yeah.
and this.
Yeah?
But first, I might need a tea.
I've just had coffee.
I might have something to eat as well.
We've eaten.
You've eaten and had tea already?
Yeah.
Why are you so noisy? I've asked him, and we've got to make Jerry one.
Gary's got the cafe, you know?
You winding me up today?
Yeah. Still tea. Tea.
That's a coffee.
Mark up there.
Oh, you fucker.
Watch it.
Right, I remember
Listen,
I'm making coffee for you.
I think we're gonna have to have a shake.
I'm not gonna
Yeah.
Get yourself a cup.
Right.
Because I don't know. Don't
So-
do it again.
Two things. Right, spoon. Get a spoon. What's gone wrong with you?
I've not run it yet, so...
Yeah. Well, let's have a look at it anyway. New SuperSport 950s. Hello, bearings. Paul's going to get it out, as they say.
I normally do.
Let's get this outside and have a look. There it is, new SuperSport 950s. Let's have a look at them new lights. Looks nice. So Paul's going to take this out for a ride. I'm going to take one of these out and do a test ride of one of these. You looking forward to it?
I've not been one before. I'll let you know in 20 minutes.
Right, if it's any good. 20 minutes? Where are you going, Southend? Well, while Paul goes out for a ride on that, I think I'll go and get something to eat. Pop up to the cafe.
Hello.
Right?
Yeah, how are you?
Right? What's happening?
Not much.
I need something to eat.
What are you after?
Should I have a
Some cheese
baguette?
on toast? Sausages would be a good idea then. In a baguette with some cheese.
Oh, I'm just hungry today.
Or burger.
What about... I want to have a beef burger. Alright, I'll have a sausage and cheese baguette. What do you reckon? It is, every time you buy fags, you see. That's my breakfast sorted. Don't tell him. I'm having something to eat.
What?
I'm having something to eat.
You don't stop ever, do you? You
Sausage,
missed the whole ride.
cheese.
You missed the whole 950 ride out.
Yeah,
It's
so that was
it's
a
just done
950.
it. 950 was good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Nice.
very good. Nice bike, yeah.
Did you short shift it?
I did the normal short shifting, yeah.
Right.
Very nice bike. They made what was already a good bike into a better bike.
That's what they do.
That's what they do, yeah.
Around the loop, yeah?
Yeah.
Who needs a SuperSport when you got one of these?
With that, like even the low revs, there's not another Ducati out there.
That's like...
It's like silk. It is like
It's better than-
smooth.
We'll have a quick look at this classic two-stroke KH500. Nice.
We'll find out now what it's like to be sold a pup. I want to get.
Have you ever been sold a pup?
I want to check the saying, see where it came from.
Sold a pup? Bet it's not even a saying, is it? I bet you made it up.
No, I didn't.
You know what Google is, don't you?
Yes, that dog out there.
No.
What does the expression "sold a pup"? Where does it come from? The expression "sold a puppy" came from old-fashioned confidence tricks, where one would be sold a bag purportedly containing a piglet, but which actually contained a puppy. That's great.
So you've been sold a pup a few times, have you?
Plenty of times now. It all comes to light, doesn't it?
Hold on. You're what?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger?
I had a cheeseburger the other day. It was
I
lovely.
did think of a cheeseburger, but she's talked me into a sausage and cheese baguette. You like this bike?
Yeah. It's a very
Hey?
nice bike.
Who are you talking to?
All of you.
Yeah, we all love it.
Is this a sport livery?
Yes, this is Sport Livery.
But I think you're trying to get it in the bottom slots.
He's always trying to get it in the bottom
He likes the
slot.
bottom
You
slots.
can get it in any slot. All these are designed for Jeremy Beadle.
Screen on.
Perfect.
You like it or not?
I do. Not run it yet. Shall we run it? Or shall we have tea?
Let's have tea.
Right.
Good choice, mate.
I took my dad for the vaccine.
Oh yeah? Did you have the jab when you was in there?
No.
What
I took him
happens?
for the jab. It's full of pensioners. They've all got their walking frames and stuff like that.
Was it hard to manoeuvre in there?
Yeah, you sit, you have your jab, you walk about 20 foot to the seat and sit down for 15 minutes. In that 20-foot gap, every pensioner had lost all the information they'd been given, right, and was wandering around in their walking frames looking for these little tags of paper that they'd been given. But they'd also been given these timers that go off after 15 minutes. When your timer goes off, you can go. When they hear a beep, they all get up. And the nurse is going, no, you're not ready yet. Another beeper goes off, all of them get up again. They're all wandering around, they're looking for their paperwork. My dad gets involved as well, because he's got a beeper.
It's like when everyone used to have Nokias and they all had the same ringtone.
It's like One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest.
Did you like that film?
Yeah.
I've seen it, I can't really remember it. Jack Nicholson.
Yeah.
It's all weird geezers in it, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm thinking there was someone like Danny DeVito in it, a little geezer as well.
The army were there, giving the jabs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So they was all going back to World War II.
Oh, back in the 1917.
First World War. I'm not sure if most of them would have been over 100.
I was the quickest person in there, wasn't I?
Yeah,
I've been
because-
at Eastbourne again.
Oh yeah, it was Eastbourne. You liked
Slow.
it?
Well, you might have to have the jab to travel abroad. You're going abroad again, you'll go
Oh,
abroad.
I'd like to go abroad again, yes. What, in the rest of my life?
Sometime in your life, you might want a weekend away.
I'd fucking love a weekend away.
It needs riding.
Is it?
Are you videoing it now?
Okay.
Video it now.
Yeah,
Make sure you get that in the background,
that's in the background.
because that's a proper bike.
Is it Darren? Is that a proper bike?
Not for Darren, no.
So it is a proper bike because he's got all the bits away at the bench.
Yeah.
Probably about
It's a
right.
proper bike that you can take carburettors off and work on them.
Yeah.
You know, that's the fun bit. That's a fun bit of motorcycling, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fettling.
Yeah, by the side of the road in the pissing rain,
Pissing rain.
thinking, why haven't I got something with fuel injection?
You're going to take out this one,
I'm going to take
the new colour.
Yeah.
I'll take the demo. We'll go for a little ride, eh?
We will.
So I've ridden this a few times before. It is brilliant. Well, so that's a general sort of day in the life. Messing about with bikes, looking at bikes, talking stuff. So yeah, did ride that Multistrada. I've rode it a couple of times in the dry now, and as I first thought, it is awesome, that bike. Got loads of stuff coming up. I've got track days, got some new bikes coming in, we've got new parts going on bikes, exhaust, classic bike. Now that spring has finally sprung, well, only by the date, it's not really sprung in weather wise, it's still pretty cold. As always guys, thanks for watching the video, hope you enjoyed it. This is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, and maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Hold on then, if you don't want vinegar, can you cut the top off of this?
Yeah, I can. Why? What do you want to do with it?
I'll dip a chip in it. I'll dip a chip in it.
Fucking idiot.
If you don't want vinegar on, hold on a sec. Have you put pepper on these chips?
Of course I did.
No, you have salt on chips. You don't have salt and pepper on chips.
I have salt and pepper.
Oh fuck Fuck off, you ain't even having vinegar. Who has fucking pepper on chips?
Well, I do, because they're my fucking chips.
No, you don't want vinegar on there, so I've had to cut the top off. Not vinegar.
Yes, she is.
He don't want vinegar on his
Got
chips,
some
so look.
buffalo.
Thanks,
I've got to do that. And he's put pepper on his chips.
I know, he loves pepper.
Why would you put pepper on your chips, though?
I've put pepper on my chips, remember what
Yeah.
I've done.
He don't want vinegar on his chips, so I've got to dip the chips in the vinegar. And he's put pepper on his chips.
I'm not sharing. I wasn't sharing. I haven't even had a mouthful yet.
He just said to me, you just said to me, do you want a chip?
I said you want a chip. I think we need a cup of tea with this.
What sauce is that?
Hot buffalo.
Would you watch a movie called Hot Buffalo?
I think I have.